Summertime is a very great opportunity to take advantage of to learn English. You can learn English during summer by immersing yourself with applications that offer English courses for free, by podcast, by having a conversation partner, by trying to use the camera of your phone or the real camera to record yourself talking about a set of questions. I will leave in the link. There are more than 300 or 400 or 5,000 questions out there as spreadsheets or as a PDF document you can take and time yourself 1 minute or 2 minutes to talk about each one of these topics. It is really helpful to improve your English conversation skills. Maybe you're able to speak, but are you able to communicate your ideas? Communication is different and better than just speaking English. College is over. There might be 2 to 3 months to resume studies. You can take advantage of this time to practice with your partners, to speak with yourself, and don't say, I don't have anybody to talk with. It's not about having somebody to talk with. It's about spending time communicating your ideas, practicing in front of camera, recording yourself, record for 30 days consecutively, and see how you perform in day 1 versus day 30. Show it to an expert and have them give you feedback on that. In that way, you will develop awareness or metacognitive skills of what you are missing. Try to fix it, fill in the gaps, and then move on to the next step. These are some of the tips that I wanted to remind you of because summer is here. It's a good time to take advantage to learn English or any other interesting language in your schedule. Have a set of clear goals, work on them, and move on to the next step of your language improvement. Have a wonderful day.